Welcome to MAT 164 Introduction to Statistics. My name is Tadius Krupa, and I will be your instructor this semester. Obviously, you found the orientation video, and there's a photo of me teaching Calculus 2. I'm going to lead you through a brief introduction here by just going through the menu items on the left side of our course homepage. And so if I click on homepage, that is where you will be brought every time you enter the course. You will see four main areas. There's the My Announcements area, which I would check frequently for due dates and other important course information. Third-party content support. There's T-Wolves email, and I would suggest you check your T-Wolves email quite often for announcements and, again, other course information. And on the right-hand side, you see our college policies and resources. So if I click on the welcome message, that's where I was to begin with. It also mentions that I would like you to introduce yourself by clicking on the icebreaker. And then you can begin to learn how the course works by clicking on Start Here. So just to go to the icebreaker on the left side here, you can read what I'd like from you, and you can click on Icebreaker, introduce yourself, and then create thread to make a post. And I've posted a very short introduction. So now I will go over to Start Here and learn about how the course works. First thing you should do is read through the course documents, check your T-Wolves email, and make sure you obtain a MyMathLab access code. If you have not done so, you can gain temporary access for 14 days, and you can read about that information, and we'll review it shortly. So if I start reading through the course documents, course materials, letter A, first thing you should do is take the academic integrity quiz. After that, you can see the course materials. There's the access code. MyMathLab is based on our publisher, Pearson, and that is where you will be doing all of your homework, quizzes, and tests. Technology projects and final exam are not done on MyMathLab, but everything else is. So this explains how to what you need to gain access. Textbook is online. Unless you require a hard copy, you can find it there. And then you will need a scientific calculator. I will not require a graphing calculator, but if you wish to use one, that would be fine. So moving on to letter B, MyMathLab information. This tells you what you need to register. There's a video on how to enter answers, and this document I would say you can come back to in about a week or so after you have some experience in MyMathLab. Going to MyMathLab coursework, this is where you'll actually click every time you want to gain access to your coursework in MyMathLab. First time you click on MyMathLab All Assignments, you will be led through the registration process, and after that you'll be brought to a list of the assignments that you need to complete within MyMathLab, and then there's other MyMathLab resources, as you can see. The policy schedule, you'll see our formal grading policy. You could read through that. Online grading policy regarding the final exam, our course schedule, assignments due, everything in one spot. I suggest you print this, so click on the printable PDF and keep that in a safe place. It has all the due dates listed. Some course learning activities, if you'd like to read that, and then our course outline, as well as the objectives, student learning outcome, and finally a link to the Math Center and off-campus telephone web tutor center provided by Pearson. So then technology projects, you can worry about those later. Make announcements as the due dates approach. Send T-Wolves email. Click on that, and you'll be able to send email to the selected recipients. Here's my contact information. A couple areas here to pay attention to. Ask a question area. If you click on that, you'll be able to ask a question, but I ask that you ask general questions in this area. If If you have specific questions to MyMathLab, then just please click on Ask My Instructor within the question in MyMathLab. Then there's a bonus that I'm offering, Real Statistics. You can read through what your task is, and although this is optional, I would highly encourage you to take advantage of up to 5 bonus points toward your final course average. You can see there's some help buttons here, Blackboard help, MyMathLab help, etc. And that should about take care of our little introduction here. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I wish you the best in your studies. Thank you.